Let's make a video for Grandma. Grams. Say hi, Bubs. Why don't we take this out? Why don't you say hi? Say hi. Hi. You want chit chat? Ooh, what? You don't like sitting on the couch? But you're a big boy. Want to have some belly time? Here. There you go. Oh, hi. Smile. What's up? What's this? Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Here, Bubs, you play with that. I'll set up your thing so we can have belly time. Okay, you ready? I'll set it up over here. Come here. What do you say? Hi. Hi. Look at all those colors. Yeah. Look at them. Do you like those colors, Bubs? Do you? Oh, I know it's hard. Why don't you do a roll? Then you won't be in your belly anymore. Do a roll. You can do it. You're almost there. Drooling all over the place. What are you doing? Roll. Roll, Bubs. There you go. There you go. Roll. You're almost there. What are you doing? Are you shy? Bubs, roll. What are you doing? Bubs, you can roll. You can do it if you don't like being there. Bubs. You want this? Here. I think he forgot how to roll. Okay, bye. Say bye, Bubs. Bye. Bye, Sebastiano. Bye.